So, when you hear the term AI, your mind probably jumps straight to ChatGPT, right? But what if I told you that's just the tiniest tip of a massive iceberg? Today, we're going way beyond the chatbots to look at the powerful AI tools working behind the scenes, the ones that are really changing our world in ways you might not even realize. And that quote, it just nails it, doesn't it? It's a direct challenge to this idea that chatbots are the final frontier for artificial intelligence. So let's pull back the curtain and see what's actually going on. Okay, first things first, let's be real, chatbots captured our imagination for a very, very good reason. They were a huge leap, making this incredibly complex technology feel personal, and suddenly it was accessible to millions of people for the first time ever. I mean, it's no wonder they went viral. All of a sudden, you had this tool that could answer just about anything, help you write in the email, or even spit out computer code, all just by having a simple conversation. It felt like straight-up magic, and it put AI on the map for pretty much everyone. Which, of course, brings us to the big question. With all that incredible power, is a conversational AI really the peak, the ultimate achievement? And the answer is not even close. What we've all been playing with is just the public-facing, most visible part of a much, much deeper revolution. And here's the key takeaway. While chatbots are busy mastering language, a whole other class of AI is out there mastering the physical world. It's solving some of humanity's biggest, most urgent problems in areas that, honestly, affect every single one of us. Let's kick things off with healthcare. In this space, AI isn't just answering questions you might type into a search bar. It's actively helping to discover brand new medicines and cures. This is where the tech goes from being simply helpful to being, literally life-changing. And no, this is not science fiction. This is happening right now. AI platforms are dramatically cutting down the time it takes to discover new drugs, a process that usually takes more than a decade and can cost billions of dollars. You could argue it's one of the most important things AI is doing today. So how in the world does it work? Well, first, the AI plows through these enormous biological data sets. We're talking genetic info, protein structures, the whole shebang at a speed we can't even comprehend. Then, based on all that data, it starts predicting which tiny molecular compounds are most likely to actually fight a disease. And finally, it can even run simulated trials to weed out the failures early, long before anyone spends time and money in a real lab. Okay, so from healing our bodies, let's switch gears to how we build our world. The other major area where this behind-the-scenes AI is making a colossal impact is in industry and manufacturing. It's becoming the new engine of how we make, well, pretty much everything. And the change here is just staggering. Think about it. The old way was totally reactive. A machine breaks, you stop everything, and then you fix it. The new AI-powered model, it's predictive. It sees problems coming, it optimizes workflows on the fly, and it's constantly learning how to do things better. Let's talk about predictive maintenance, because this is a total game changer. AI algorithms can essentially listen to the sounds of a factory. They analyze vibrations, temperatures, and tiny acoustic signals to predict that a part is going to fail before it actually breaks. It's like preventing a $1 million assembly line shutdown just because the AI noticed a gear was humming a slightly different tune. So when you put these two revolutions together, in healthcare and in industry, it becomes incredibly clear. This isn't some far-off futuristic dream. These powerful and often totally invisible AI tools are already here, and they are fundamentally changing the way our world works. Which brings us right back to that iceberg metaphor. The chatbot we all know and use, that's the tip everyone sees. But the real power, the real mass, is the enormous part hidden beneath the surface. It's in the research labs and on the factory floors. That's the invisible AI that's already reshaping our world from the inside out. This last thought really brings it all home. This isn't just a niche tech trend. It's a massive societal shift. I mean, developing new medicines faster, making the things we need more efficiently, that directly impacts our health, our jobs, and our overall quality of life. So as we watch AI move beyond just conversation and into the realms of creation, discovery, and automation, it leaves us with one heck of a question. We're seeing this technology redefine our world in real time. The real challenge for all of us now is to think about how we're going to guide and shape the even more powerful AI that we know is coming tomorrow.